What's up, Team T, baby? It echoes in here, so I try and keep it down. Alright, first of all, what is going on with this bun? This bun is not a bun. I don't know what's happening here. But today I'm going to show you guys a quick workout that you can do. But first I need to show you my outfit and my shoes, like always. Today, I got these bad boys on. We got the pink ones that we will be wearing today. And then I got my biker shorts and my zip sports bra because it is hot. Hot. But I will put the link to where I got these shoes down below if y'all trying to match your girl. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, hi, I don't know if you can see, I am dripping. I just came back, oh, this hair is wild, from downstairs. It is like a private gym, so people can come whenever they want, come and go. And so it got a little bit too crowded to film, and I could tell that like some people were uncomfortable, that like I was having the camera and they were in it. So, oh, it's a big fly. So, I didn't want to like keep the camera out in front of them, and like I respect that when there's like too many people around. So I'm going to finish off here inside and show you a couple other good, really good hamstring glute workouts, okay? y'all see that big ass fly? I'm about to kill it. Okay, you guys, so I just really wanted to show you a few of my favorite leg day exercises and things that you can do pretty much anywhere. And when you guys always ask me, like earlier I showed you my shoes and my outfits when you guys asked me to do that, so I've been trying to show you my outfits and my shoes. And then the reason why I wore these flat ones on leg day is because when I'm planning on squatting a little bit more on leg day, which this is my round 2 at the gym. I already went to the gym this morning, so this is more just like a touch up, and I did 30 minutes of cardio, which I usually don't do, but your girl just felt like getting things done on her phone and burning some extra calories because I love to eat. So when I wear flat shoes, it's because I know I'm gonna squat more, and you don't want, like I always tell you, you don't want to squat on a rigged shoe to hurt your knees and your back. But these are new babies, these Air One Jordans, and I will put the link in the description where I got them. I know a lot of you guys ask, but everything's always in the description. So those were just a couple workouts, but like literally I just did that and cardio, walking on an incline for 30 minutes and some core, and try everything, like about 3 to 4 sets of everything, and I'm dripping like I need to go take a shower. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one.